Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vikas Thakur, and in this video, I'll be sharing complete guideline and resources for you to follow based on the timeline and the maps I have already shared in my previous video, and you can check out those roadmap in my channel. Now let's get started with the stage 1 resources for my roadmap. So let's get started with the basics of electronic component. I have already shared what are the things you need to cover. So here you can see the YouTube channel named Ron Matino. So he has already explained a lot of thing about the different circuits, and he is a very practical man, and you can see a lot of the interactive the interactive contents on his channel. After this, the next thing is about the basics of electronics. This channel here, this is called Engineering Funda, and most probably if you are an Indian student who is pursuing electronics, and especially in academics part in your college, then most probably you know this channel. And he is a great teacher and a very great mentor, and he has already explained a lot of things about a lot of theoretical data. After this, the electronics for the beginners. So here you can see so I really like the content in his channel, and you can understand the basics of series, parallel, because voltage divider circuit is a very good example of that you need to understand before going with the PCB designing. After this, understanding the breadboard, as I am also building a lot of the content for you guys, so on the playlist, so you can also get it from there. So for this YouTube channel, this is called Science Buddy, and you can get a basic understanding of how the different circuits, how the different components are connected, and different tips and things are shared here. So you can refer to this channel, and the link is on the lower side. You can go to this channel. After this, the next thing is transistors. So understanding transistors is very important when we are talking about multiple application. For example, there are multiple kind of transition, NP and PNP, or when we are talking about MOSFETs and all those. So they are very useful, especially when we are talking about electronic circuits and all. After this, the next thing is the YouTube channels that I want to share here. So these 3 YouTube channel are very rich contents are here. So for the programming basic, I would definitely suggest this free code camp, a really great channel, and you will find a lot of resources even about Arduino Uno when you want to learn about basic programming about Arduinos. So they have a very compressed tutorials on their channel, mostly 3 hours, 4 hours, and they will try to cover up every concept, every basic to even lots of the time they even went to the advanced level concepts even in that compressed video. So a really great YouTube channel you can follow up. There are lots of content you can find here. So after the free code camp, another the fundamental, that is C++. Again, this YouTube channel, I would again recommend this YouTube video here, Python fundamentals. So here I would suggest this YouTube channel, Programming with Mosh. So he has explained all of this content in a really great way. So C++ and Python are very essential for robotics, and basic understanding is really fundamental, I would say. After this, the next thing is about OOPS concept. So object-oriented programming, as I already told you, very important. So you need to get basic understanding of inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and different classes and objects. So you can refer to this YouTube channel, and you will be getting a lot of data. So you can refer to this. So after this, next thing is about DSA. So DSA is lots of when you are going to college, lots of people are again with this part. Very great YouTube channel. So Abdul Bari, so he's also very motivating guy. So he mostly uses a whiteboard and a marker way. So I really like those ways a lot. So you can follow up this YouTube channel, and you will be going to get a lot of resources in his channel. After this, the VS Code tutorial, understanding the basic code editor. About, for example, the VS Code is very important because nowadays there are lots of external feature like AI copilots are there, and lots of other features are also added. So you can go here on this YouTube link here. So you can refer to this YouTube link and this channel. After this, the basics of Git and GitHub. So really important topic. So you can refer to this particular YouTube video, so by free code camp, and you will be understanding extension, debugging, and a lot of the other features here. After this, CLI, that is command line interface. So when we are talking about some terminal work, or when we want everything to work as quick as possible without going to all those UI and all those kind of things, you can go with this this channel, that is Traverse C Media. So you can refer to this YouTube video. After this, the CAD part or 3D designing part. For the 3D designing, I would suggest 3 different resources here. So there are 3 different tools. So Tinkercad, FreeCAD, and SketchUp. So for the Tinkercad, I would suggest go to this channel, Autodesk Tinkercad, and after that you can refer to the FreeCAD. For example, if you want to go with the FreeCAD, then you can go with the Mongo Jelly, so a great YouTube channel again. After that the SketchUp, so you can refer to this channel, that is SketchUp School, and you can go to this particular channel by using this link, and you can follow up this video. So this is all about the stage 1, and I really want to make this video as compact as possible. So for the stage 2, I'm building another video, so you can navigate to the second video on this playlist to see the stage 2 resources. This is Vikas, and see you on the next video. Till then, bye.